Finally tonight, a social media site that mixes gaming with marketing. It's the latest online craze. It's all the buzz in at least one New Hampshire community. NECN's Lauren Collins has the story from Portsmouth.
Foursquare is a location sharing application for your phone.
So a way for you to let everybody else know where you are.
That's right.
When users check into a location, the application alerts their friends on Foursquare, Facebook, and Twitter. They also get points.
That's what turns it into a game. You know, the fact that every time you check in, you do get points.
Earn more points than any other user at a location and become the virtual mayor.
I used to be the mayor of the Hampton Tolls.
Dana Farida is the current mayor of Port City Coffee Roasters in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. How many times has she checked in?
It's been like every single day, so I don't even know how many times.
The interaction is two-way. Businesses can use Foursquare to create a buzz or offer deals. Port City Coffee Roasters president Derek Labori is on board. His customers are always on their smartphones.
It doesn't matter what it is, whether it's searching for something or checking their email. So anything that works with that is just a natural.
Friday, April 16th is Foursquare Day, dedicated to registering new businesses, signing up new users, and offering deals. A group of local social media gurus decided Sunday to promote Portsmouth Foursquare Day.
In the span of about 4 or 5 days, we were able, out of 200 participating cities, make Portsmouth, New Hampshire #1.
It's an innovative place where people are using Foursquare already.
In a city noted for its vibrant downtown, Foursquare promotes local business.
Users have to be in your location to use Foursquare. And the people that are finding out about the promo or whatever events going on at your place are going to be within walking distance.
That includes non-retail companies like the New Hampshire Film Festival and Infinite Imaging.
Being a part of Foursquare is another way to get in front of our existing client base as well as our growing prospects.
Utilizing Foursquare to incorporate our local sponsors and our venues, and it just adds a whole nother layer.
It's hip to be Foursquare. In Portsmouth, New Hampshire, Lauren Collins, NECN.